Hello students, welcome in chapter 3 matrices. In matrices students, today we going an exercise 3.2 question number 19 related. And in this numerical students, there are the word problem given, practical numericals. And after that I explain remaining our examples related our 3.2. So in exercise 3.2 question 19, the given that a trust fund 30,000 is invested into two different types of bond. First bond given 5% annual interest and second bond annual interest 7%. Then the trust holder is decided which amount I put it in the first bond and how many amount put it in the second bond. But total amount distributed is a 30,000. And using that matrix multiplications, we calculate how much amount put it in first bond and how much amount in second bond. Annual interest on the first question 1800, and annual interest on means bond 1 and bond 2 both interest on, one of the 1800 and second one given 2000. So very easy. We going that consider that is your total amount are distributed among two types of bond. Total amount 30,000 and there are two types of bond. Yes, type of bond 1 and bond 2. Here bond first and second bond 2. So I consider X rupees amount I invested in the X first bond and Y rupees invested in the second bond. Annual interest, yes, annual interest given that here interest I1 and interest I2, but this both total given 1800 rupees. I1 I2 is missing there, but both total given 1800 and how much I distributed in the X1 and XY, and second given 2000s. Very easy. I just start my sum. Suppose X rupees invested in first bond type and Y rupees invested in second bond type, and both total you invested in X and Y given 30,000. Statement 1, total 30,000 you invested. Now annual interest means the interest I1 PRN by 100, same as I will calculate I2 PRN by 100. So I1 interest I invested X, rate of interest here rate I written by mistake, rate of interest here given students 5% and that given 7%. I just one more time check my questions, 5% and 7%. So here invested amount to X, 5 invested percentage, so 5x by 100 rupees I1. Similarly I2, principal invested Y but rate is 7, here 1 by 100, so I2 is become 7y by 100 is rupees, and both interest I1 and I2 is total 1800. So that's why I write down I1 plus I2 1800 rupees on. I1 I have 5x by 100, Y is a 7y by 100 and earn rupees 1800. So 5x plus 7y 180000. Statement 2. Then after that 1 and 2 calculate and finish the sum. But in textbook printed solve by matrix multiplications. That's why this equation I again made, yes, by matrix multiplication. You just know the only matrix product that X amount interested and Y amount invested at the rate of 5% and here 7% and earn rupees interest to 1800. So row into column entry, that's the row, that's the column. So X with 5%, Y with 7%, 1800, so 5x by 100, 7y by 100, 1800. Equation are same cover. Look at that. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 0, 0. That's equation 2. In exam you write down this one, but this for only understanding. Solve 1 and 2 because one equation is known. Yes. Solve. My first equation is x plus y. Here 30,000 multiply by 5. So here 5x plus 5y and 5 there is a 15. Backside 4 zeros. And 5x plus 7y 180000 means 1,30,000 minus cancel. Minus 2y. Here minus 30,000. It get 15,000. It means 15,000 invested this trust in the bond second. And x also 15,000 because I have to total summation is 30,000. So x plus y 30,000, x plus 15,000 is equal to 30,000. So x become your 15,000. So both type invested done. In first bond 15,000, second bond 15,000. Now second questions. So this is the first question done. Now second question you will write down 2. Table same. These are given 2,000. And 5%, 7% same. So you will write down in exam again that are same, this same, this same, this same, this same, all same. Only these are total change. 2,000. Here are 2,000. So here students 2 lakhs. Here same 2,000. That also 2,000. Here also 2,000. You will write down second time. Yes. So that is your 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Calculation same. Here 2 lakhs. It is minus 50,000. My answer is a 25,000. And indirectly last here put it a 25,000. My answer is only 5,000. So in the second time you will write the all total legally fully solutions and last answer write down. Therefore invested in first type bond. How much? 5,000 rupees invested. And in second type bond 25,000 rupees invested. And that's your done easily this question students. Now I will going ahead moves to next questions 20. Also very easy sum. In a librarian bookshop, particular school has 10 dozen chemistry book, 8 dozen physics book and 10 dozen economics books. Their selling price given respectively 80, 60 and 40 rupees each one. Find the total amount to be bookshop will receive after selling these books by the matrix algebraics. So here I just going to simple 10 dozen what the given chemistry books. Next 8 dozen physics books and again 10 dozen. How much given? 10 dozen for economics books. Yes. And each selling price given. Yes. First selling price given the 80 rupees each, 60 rupees for each and 40 rupees for each selling price SP. Then how much total cost received by this selling the all books? So very easy. Simple way, I just write down 10 dozen. It means 10 into 12, 8 into 12 and 10 into 10. Sorry, 10 into 12. These are dozen books. And this consider your chemistry book, your physics books, and last here economics books, and you multiply by matrix that particular dozens value, 80 rupees, 60 rupees and 40 rupees. So this is a row and that's the column, and that's your total SP value. Selling price value 120, 12 8s are 96, 120, that become 80, 60 and 40. So your total selling price 120 with 80 plus 96 with the 60 plus 120 with the 40, and that covered 20160 rupees total SP price. I mean selling price total on the rupees 20,160 rupees. Now next very important questions coming there. Question number 21 and 22, both types of one of the relation given. So question 21 and 22, X matrix X type, next Y type, Z type, W type and P type. Given X type in order respectively, in order first order given that 2 cross N, 3 cross K, 2 cross P, N cross 3 and P cross K. Then define, now 21 sum running, the restrictions on N, K and P. It means indirectly values. Show that Py plus Wy will be defined. Yes, will be defined R, and the options are, first option given, I have to K equal to 3, P equal to N. K is arbitrary. So does arbitrary means they are not fixed, any changeable value. That's the arbitrary. Constant means not changeable, but arbitrary means may be changeable. See, P is arbitrary and K3 and last K2 and P3. So very easy, just you going for explanation. First of all, I just matrix multiplication rule apply one by one in this forwarded Py and Wy. So therefore for Py plus Wy is defined, therefore P of ij, Y of ij, W of ij and Y of ij. What is the P given? Type P cross K. Mention that. Y 3 cross K, again 3 cross K, and W N cross 3. Now students, this is the conditions whenever you between the products you know these are necessary same, then they are defined. It means K equal to 3 confirm, Here also same, it is a necessary conditions, they are equal. So what is the answer for Py? Your Py answer is a P into K. Same, Wy answer, it is N into K. Now this between plus also defined, so these are the same. So K equal to 3, your answer K equal to 3 here, either here. And also these are the same, means P into K is equal to N into K. In short, P equal to N. So my answer is this one first, K3, P equal to N, and that's your answers. Now continue 22. 22 also same going, conditions are same. According to condition I will act at in solution. So if N equal to P, if N and P are same, then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z is dash dash dash, and options are there students, P into 2, 2 into N, N into 3, and P into N. Very simple, just you focus on that 7x minus 5z is defined, 7x minus 5z. So 7 here, write down multiple of xij, 5 in multiple of zij, x is given that 2 into N, z is given that 2 into P. If you multiply inside 7x with ij, there is no changing in this part, 5 of zij, no changing in 2 into P, and both are same, then they define, and you are given that N and P equal, it means you will take this and that are same. So your answer is only 2 into N, this is your answer, because N and P same. This is the conditions, N equal to P, it means these two are equal, 2 cross P and 2 cross P and 2 cross N. Therefore here you write down 2 and N, just write down 2 and N. This also same, 2 and N if you N equal to P according to given. So my correct answer is B. Now here students, our exercise over. Now I will start the illustrations. To pending illustration up to 6. Up to 5 already I explained in last video. So I going to now our illustration number 6th one. Find out A plus B. Just a very easy examples, one by one I going in solutions. Example 6, find A plus B, where A given plus B given, A root 3, 1 minus 1, 2 3 0, 2 root 5 1, minus 2 3 and half. First check, it is data same, yes, 2 row 3 column, 2 row 3 column, and both type is same, so you can take additions. A plus B, which is root 3 plus 2, 2 minus 2, 1 plus root 5, 3 plus 3, minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus half. So your answer is ready for that. Root 3 plus 2 same, 0, 1 plus root 3 root 5 same, 6, 0 and half. Now example 7 students, also very easily I explain here. Find 2a minus b, for a given, here minus 1 and b given. What is the a? 1 2 3 2 3 1, that is given 3 minus 1 3 and minus 1 0 2. I just focus on that, this minus take inside and 2 also take inside. So your data is coming 2 4 4 6 and 6 2. That much minus 3 1 1 0 and minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 1 1 0. Now add them. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 5. 6 plus 0 6. 6 minus 3 3 and 2 minus 2 0. That's your 2a minus b. Happily over that. Continue. Example number, students, 7. In the 7, after that now 8. 8 also easy. Given easy but exam oriented IMP. Find x if A matrix 8 4 3 0 minus 2 6 and B matrix 2 4 minus 5 2 4 minus 5 and minus 2 2 and 1. Again 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6 2 minus 2 4 2 and minus 5 1. Find out x. And given also 2a plus 3x is equal to 5b. 2a plus 3x 5b. Students, you focus on that here x. So 3x is equal to 5b minus 2a. Putting down that 5 of b minus 2 with a and apply the value. B I have 2 4 minus 5 minus 2 2 1 and a I have, students, 8 0 4 minus 2 and 3 6. So 3 of x 5 multiply that minus 2 multiply 5. If you multiply, then 5 2 is 10, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10 and 5 1 is 5. Similarly that 8 of 2 minus 2 multiply 8 2 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6, 0 2 2 is 4 and 6 2 is 12. Again 16 8 and minus 6 0 4 and minus 12. Finally you will get 10 minus 16 minus 6, 20 minus 8 12, minus 25 minus 6 minus 31, minus 10 plus 0 minus 10, here 14 and here minus 7. Yes, 5 minus 12. So x is cover 1 by 3 minus 6 12 minus 31 minus 10 14 and minus 7. So your data is over here. Only and only divided by 3. So minus 2 4 3 4s are minus 31 by 3 minus 10 by 3 14 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. I just check my answer and then after I going ahead to my final destinations. Minus 2 minus 10 by 3 4 14 by 3 and last one is also correct. Next, example 9. 9 also related MCQs type questions. X and Y find out for the given matrices. Example 9. Find X and Y if X plus Y is given 5 0 2 9 and second X minus Y 5 0 2 9 and next given 3 6 0 minus 1. Just you add the both 3 6 0 minus 1. Students, if you added then x plus y plus x minus y, decide 5 0 2 9 plus 3 0 6 minus 1 and what should be that? Twice x. Here you added 5 and 3 8, 6 and 2 8, 0 and 8. So divided by 2 4 8 8 0 8. Only you add. So x is become and divided by 2 4 4 0 4. That's your total answers. Now particularly this x applying this again. So also I just subtracted that x plus y minus x plus y, and this side 5 0 2 9 minus 3 0 6 minus 1 3 0 6 minus 1, and simplify that, it is 2y. Here just subtracted 5 minus 3 2 0 2 minus 6 minus 4, and 9 plus 1 10. So that should be your final answer. It is a half 2 0 minus 4 10, and last answer is covered to half only divided. It means 2 divided 1 0 minus 2 5 1 0 minus 2 and 5. That's your finally covered to answer 1 0 minus 2 5, and x is a 4 0 4 4. It's absolutely correct. Now towards next questions. Moving towards next questions. Example number 10. Same is very easy. Find out x and y if the data available to 2 with x7 5 x7 5 and y minus 3. Next 3 1 minus 4 2 and is equal to 7 6 15 14 7 6 and 15 14. That's the easily calculations. First to multiply inside every data 2x 14 10 2y 3 to the 6. Continue. Similarly 3 1 minus 4 2 and 7 15 6 14. So does these two are particular you first added 2x plus 3 14 plus 1 15 6 2y minus 6 plus 2, and right side same. Now check both type is students same. Yes, absolutely same. So you compare that by equal matrix 2x plus 3 becomes 7. Next 6 and 15 are both same students. So you just calculate this one 2y minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 14. So my answer is 7 minus 3, which is 4. X become only 2. 4 by 2. Same as here also. Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 4. So 2y minus 4 is 14. Which is 14 plus 4. Exactly students 18. And y become 9. Yes student, here your x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9. Yes, example 10 students easily and happily done here. Now students, after this ending our example 10, I stop this video, and further explanations for related our continue example number 11 I explain in the next parts. Bye bye.